everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Stardew Valley. I hope you guys are ready for what's to come. And in the last episode, we went to the mines. Oh, we had to get coal not coal, copper for Clint. I think we died. No, we didn't die. We passed out. So we lost some money. We got our pickets pocketed, so... Alright, we're gonna start on up. Let's get into it. Georgia Trash Farm. What the? I'm already starting off with chaos. We can keep all of this. Maybe not all the stone. It really doesn't matter for the stone, honestly. What is it? Started the dance? No, the egg festival. I'm a boss at the egg festival. Although we just get a hat, and again, we can't sell the hat. So what are we gonna do? We lost our money. Does not know how much money they took. Egg festival in town. Sell this. Those are 25 each. A freaking party hat, dude. We got a party hat. I wish we could dye the party hat. This is dog. This big old dog boy. Got my baby boy. I feel like I should throw these away, though. Okay, we just need to talk to Clint, right? Talk to Clint. Final day, anyway. Let's go talk to Clint. Let's go talk to Clint. Flint, you have a call? We're not doing any of that. It takes $4,000 to get a coop built. And we need wood, and we need stone. That's gonna be forever. You know I love to see a newspaper in the morning. I don't know what that dog's doing. I don't know what that dog's doing. What that dog doing though? What that dog doing though? Oh, okay. What that dog doing though? What that dog doing? What the dog doing? Oh, what the dog doing? I was about to say we should have brought our geodes to crack. Guess Gunther's had the same idea. We can still go get our geodes actually. I think he said it was a good luck day, so. Let's do that. We'll go get our geodes, we'll come back. Is it the balloon guy day? Yeah, okay. It does say bookseller today. We don't have enough money for other bookseller stuff though. Hi there, Peter boy! Hi there! Pika baby, Pico. Pika baby, Pika baby. Dang, we got 10 geodes to crack open. Hey, we might get some copper from that. Let's pray on that. Dear Stardew Valley gods, please crack open our geodes and give us a massive payday. Especially since it's gonna cost us money. It's gonna cost us money to crack open these geodes. We're gonna go to Clint's and crack open our geodes. Do do do. Da do da do da do da do 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 do. Going on our way to Clint's to crack our geodes today. Open up your door and let me in. Now give me money. 28. Process geodes and crack them open. Yes! Yes! Hot dog! We did it! We did it, baby! We can make a furnace! Now we don't have to grind as hard for ore. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah. Do you see that, Papa? I knew that was gonna be a good day. It's not iron. But, baby! We're selling all the rest of that stuff. What an episode we got already. Copper baby! You know, at the beginning of the game, you do not get excited about copper, right? Because you're like, man, I can get all this copper I want. But if you have to throw the copper away... Let's water the... No, we don't even have anything to water the cat. Okay. Well, let me get this situated. Let me see. We're gonna sell that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Baby. Oh, stone. We need one more rock. We need one more rock. That's kind of crazy. Isn't that crazy? We have everything, we just don't have the rocks. But Shelly, you could just take one of your rocks. That's not part of the game. We are trying to make this harder on ourselves. Where is my watering can? So we need to go to the mines for one rock. And you know how we get that one rock, right? Not your standard way. Not your standard way. We're gonna water the cat with salt water. Well, that's not what I was trying to do either, but that's good. Yum. Yum. He's already starting low. Wasn't too smart, but we can just eat a lot of these. Nobody uses these anymore. Oh, I forget about these boys over here. I'll eat this. And then I'll eat this. It doesn't really matter for the energy anyway. I mean it does, but it doesn't. Let's see, we got some stuff here. I don't know what would be the... I don't know what's the best. You're like, that's our rock! That's not our rock. That's not our rock either. Oh... Is this a bad level? No, I mean, it's not terrible. Can't see. That might be our rock though. I got a club. I do like the club. Oh no. That makes me happy. Oh. Wood. Why is it so hard to find a rock in a container? I feel like I find rocks in containers all the time. Except for today. Today I cannot find any rocks in containers. There's no rocks in containers today. Dougie could drop a rock. Area's infested. It's almost. Well, we'll beat this and then we'll go home. Oh yeah, that's what we want to do anyway. Oh, for me sakes, I hate when that happens. I don't like the bugs. Yes, we did get our rocks though. Area's still infested. I mean, as long as we leave before 1, we'll be alright. We gotta leave before 1. 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 We gotta leave before. How do I get there? Wait a minute. What? Right? It's not that. Okay. Well, now I don't care to pass out now because I'm like, where the heck is this? Oh. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. At least we're getting to 25, though. I mean, we'll pass out. We'll lose some money. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Of course we do. Of course we do. Of course we lose money again. But we've got all this cool stuff. So we've got our rocks that we need. We've got some more copper. So we're fine. It's fine. Maybe Linus will find us again. Probably not. Should just go hang out in his tent to pass out. I mean, we know we're not going to make it, so what's the point in even going back home? Right? Like, there's no point. We're going to pass out right now. Yep. 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 Passed out on the stoops. With no money. Oh no, they're going to take our money. Because we got 820 monies. 820 monies. Because we made money, so we're definitely going to lose money. They don't take your money. 110, so out of those 800, we made 700 something. Hey, you know we can get strawberries though. We have enough money for that. So, that is a good bonus. I think we only had one of those. We're gonna water the cat. Cat didn't like that. I'm like, I need to quit throwing away the sap that I get. We did plant that one, I think. I'm just clearing a little bit before we go to the egg festival because there's no point in having all the extra energy. Still learning about that jade. I haven't asked about it. Here we go. Off to the festival. Off to the festival. I throw those away, but we still get the carrots anyway. Dang it, I didn't get enough for the bunny. I'm getting 8 strawberry seeds though. Ugh. Is that it? That's it. That's the one right there. Oh. I don't know how to do that. I'll do it later. It's like Windows Control S, Shift. I don't know. Well, time for the egg hunt. Calm down now, kiddos. Let the egg hunt begin. I don't usually do all that mess. What the heck? I usually get 11, but I don't know. I messed up on that run, but that's alright. I still win. Now, if only I could get you to pick up the dang trash like that, man. We'll play one more day. Here's your prize. It's just a hat. It's just a hat. And that's it. I don't usually talk to all the people. I could, but... And all of this copper is actually ours. We're gonna need more rocks. We need to fish some more. I don't think we can level up on fishing this fast. We can get trash. And seaweed, apparently. We will definitely be leveling up so we can get that recycling machine. We learned how to make coleslaw. Spirits feel neutral. So that's something. That's so cool, dude. So cool, dude. Oh. We won't really have anything for the pig lady either. Or like any money to spend at the pig lady. She comes on Fridays and Sundays. It's just not gonna be a thing for a while. I cannot wait for us to get that recycling machine. Hopefully a lot of those get turned into cloth we can sell. Penny wants dandelion. I haven't seen any dandelions. Joja Cola! Joja, 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 Joja. Joja, 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 Joja. Penny wants a dandelion, but I don't know where to find a dandelion. Oh, look, there's another leak down there, or thingy down there. Ew, it smells! Why is it locked? I want to explore the sewers. I think Gunther has the key. Professor Gunther? The man who runs the museum? Why do you think he has it? I saw a big rusty old key fall out of his pocket one time. A creepy sewer door like this is just gotta be a match for a big old rusty old key. There's something moving around in there. Interesting. This is not a dandelion. You know, from eating all those onions, I bet our breath stank. Pokey Mouse Misa hats. Not good hats. He don't sell no good hats. I don't see any dandelions. Escargot, largemouth bass, snow yam, beans, or large milk, crispy bass. A rainbow trout, that would be something. If you know anything about Stardew and the fish ponds, there's a reason to buy that rainbow trout. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get Penny a dandelion. Surely we have one at home already. I think we've got one that we've already picked. I need to explore the rest of our farm here real quick too. See what's over here. We can fish off of this too. That's why I think the beach is a good one for this one, because you do a lot of fishing to get treasure and stuff. Those will be a pain in the butt to cut down later. There's actual farm here. We could put sprinklers in this area. They make it seem like you can't farm on this one. But this is actually good. This is good. I'm glad we actually have some kind of soil area. That'll be good. Somebody wanted seaweed too. I think I said that before though. I don't know what else I was gonna do. Fish. We want to fish. For sure. I need to see if I'm still going over to hang out at my cousin's house or not. Tell me Penny's not over here somewhere. I don't know where she goes. I don't know where she's at. And if I've looked all over for this dandelion for her. Joja, Joja, Joja. I'm gonna fish at the beach actually. Chubs in the mountains. Oh, those butts, I pushed the wrong button. Ugh. The bar's bigger and I'm still bad. What the? My screen black screened. You know me, I'll always take trash. I want some treasure. We need some luck. We need to buy that fishing rod, but Lily's not in the shop, so I don't know how much it is. Mm. Alright, we leveled up, level 4. Ice cream! Oh, it's Haley's birthday today. Uh-oh. She would have loved that pink cake, but I'm not romancing her. So I couldn't give a crap. I could not give no anythings about Haley on her birthday. Haley on her birthday. Whoa. Well. Actually, I haven't brought any stone back here. Oh, I do have stone. Okay. Well, I'll save that. I'll save that for something else. You don't. Oh my goodness. It doesn't use the item. That's genius. That is a genius idea right there. And this is going to be the last day on this save. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Again, the voice quality is not going to be great, but at least you're here joining in, seeing what we're doing. Oh my goodness. I'm getting sleepy. Not really much to do, so we're going to go to bed. And with that, we finally got the recycling machine. We've got the worm bin, deluxe bait, but the recycling machine was the one that we were wanting. We made 175 off of those. We made $261 off of our carrots, 25 off of our Joja Cola. So we are kicking it in terms of having money and doing well. So if you want to see more, just like, comment, subscribe. Other than that, we will see you all in another video. What the?